Hi guys, welcome to LC TV. This is a channel where you find so many things, so good things. I don't choose what to do. I don't choose anything that I come across. I have to share with you, family. So guys, please like the video, share, hey, give a comment below. Tell me, what do you think about this? This is another amazing episode, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget guys, share my video, share it, like it, subscribe. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. The returning subscriber, may God bless you. The returning viewers, may God bless you. We are doing good, guys. We are doing good, and I'm happy about it. Actually, we are doing good. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Don't forget to like this video. It is your amazing channel, LC TV. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Please don't forget to share. Hi, guys. Welcome to LC TV. Welcome to the best channel, to your channel. I hope that you enjoy it and you love it, guys. I hope that you have walked me through that journey from the word, from episode 1, episode 2, and now actually we are on the last episode, guys. Just need you to learn something from it, and actually I know where maybe you did a mistake, or where you are doing a mistake you are going to rectify. Yeah, otherwise I love you. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. May God bless you. Bless your channels. Bless everything that you're doing. Any dream that you have, may God bless you. I love you guys with the love of God. And I'm very humble, patient, and whatever you're doing to me, may God bless you. Don't mind about me today. Yeah. Sometimes we have to do it. Whenever you get a space or time to do this, that is the time you just use. Don't mind about anything. So guys, welcome to Lucy TV. Subscribe to this channel, like, share. Actually, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to this channel. I love you. I love you guys. I love you guys. Actually, we are doing good. We are doing good. And I'm happy for everything. Anyway, I'm happy for everything. You are the family for life. You are the family to have, because nobody like you guys. So guys, as we continue on with the story of Christopher, I remember letting you on the way by, telling that Christopher came back home. When Christopher came back home, hope this might be the final episode, and I hope you're going to learn from this. I hope you learn from this, guys. Learn from this, rectify your mistake, and do something to your life. So guys, Christopher was brought home, and actually find the mom bought a cattle, and when he sold a cattle, and she sold a cattle, guys, she gave a wife only 1,000 shilling, telling the wife to make sure that this money is enough for her and the son for the whole month. Actually, like I told you, that in Kenya 1,000 is very little money, that you cannot do anything with that 1,000. But now it was supposed to be, because now even the wife was fearing. She was upside minded, because now the husband was like the husband was had a stroke, and so they tried to treat him, but she had the man had to go on taking this pressure medicine. And once stroke beats you, sometime when you cannot handle it, it does come back again. So guys, Christopher went on with that life, and after some 5 months, he decided to go back to work. You know what happened, guys? When he reached on the work, because he was the heart Christopher had is a very very hard that he was doing at job, but people did not understand this Christopher. So when he went back to work, because he wanted to resume back to work, you found that people had complicated his things at work because it was an NGO, and this man was working around his place, around his area, where people knew him very well, and people were really fighting him. Apart from he was doing good to people, but people were fighting him. So when Christopher went back to work, guys, guess what happened? He went to work after working for one week. Guy, it was just, I don't know what I can say it. I don't know how I can explain it, but it was painful. He went to work. He found things were complicated. He found that things not the way he left. He found that everything he was doing was like doing nothing. So when he went there, the boss told him, Christopher, no, go back home and rest. You can imagine. Can you imagine? You have stayed in the house, you have been sick, you have gone to the hospital, you have spent everything that you had, guys, and this is the time you realize that you should go back to work so that you can balance these things and the money they have spent in the hospital. Guys, it was so painful that Christopher was told, go back and rest. He did not know why is this going back to rest. What does it mean? So he came back. He was stressed. Being a man, that's why I told that men don't remove things out. They keep things for themselves. But what I can tell you guys is that when you are a man in the home, please let's try to out so that they can go out of us. But when you keep on keeping these things inside you, they eat you slowly by slowly. At the end of the thing, by the time you come to realize, you are gone. By the time you come to realize, you can no more handle it. You get it? I hope you understand it. It becomes heavy that you can no longer handle the situation. That's what happened to Christopher. So he came back home. He never told the wife what is happening. He only said that I need to rest. So in his resting, he was resting, but inside him there were so many things was eating him, so many things that was in his mind, so many things that was, I don't know what I can tell, and he could not explain to anybody, guys. So guys, as I told you, if you're a man in the family, a man in the house, please try. There are some things you should not keep by yourself. Try to make sure that some things you remove them out of you so that people can assist you, or people can help you, or a friend can make you to be a person you want to be. So he came, this thing ate him. He ate him slowly by slowly. Christopher stayed for 2 good years. He never called back. He thought he was going to be called back to work. So being the person who was giving out to the family, being the breadwinner in the family, it was so hard for him to keep things. So he tried to wait. He was convinced with the job, and he knew the man became convinced of the stroke. So he knew that he's only supposed to go back to work. He could not look for a job somewhere else. And not knowing that he was educated, he had papers, he was experienced for almost 20 years. So he could do a job in any other NGO or a company. But he never mind to apply for another job. He was just waiting. Devil, sometimes devil is a liar. Devil is a liar. So he convinced Christopher mind. Christopher knew that he's going back to that work, to work from that place. You can imagine. But unfortunately, it was not the way it was. So let me tell you guys, though at the end of the day, they start treating him, making him like a game, telling him that, oh, you are coming back or coming to work. So things were not the way he thought. He waited and waited until good 4 years. You know what happened? Things ate Christopher too much. He kept things, so many things. He could promise the wife, no, I'm going back to job very soon, so don't mind. So they ate what they had. He was an intelligent man. He had kept something small. So what he had kept, they were eating. And what you eat and you're not bringing in another thing, the more you eat, the more it get finished. So they ate, guys, and ate and ate. At the end of the day, what they ate, it got finished. So guys, At the end of the day, the time came when God said, Christopher, enough is enough. But nobody knew. He never became sick. You know what happened? He only came one day, one time. He was happy. The like 2 days, 3 days, was happy with the people, chatting with the people, talking with the people, very happy. He was not sick, although the thing was inside him, because there's a time even he became blind. He could not see even a phone or a message in his phone. He could take the phone to the wife so that the wife could read all the message. Imagine how Christopher to be. So those eyes came and again opened, and he started reading something like, but I tell you that it came a day. It was a day. It was a one-time day. It was a day that nobody believed that this happened. It was a day that nobody could imagine what really happened. When Christopher just abruptly, the stroke came in and had to hit him once and for all. Once and for all. He just went like that. Why? Because things was eating him up. He could not tell. Those people that he helped, those family that he helped, the really family that he stayed them with, they helped, they all, when they realized that Christopher's money is done, they did not have to give him a hand so that Christopher could keep on going. Nobody could come in to give Christopher a hand. They left him alone. They left him suffering physical, psychological, and he had a psychological torture. So at the end of the day, they reached somewhere when the body could not pump, the heart could not pump anymore. It was enough for Christopher. And you know what? He had to go. The time came, one day came when Christopher went on like that, the day that nobody knew, the time that nobody imagined that this could happen, because he was okay, he was fine, but only fine, moving body, but inside him it was enough. Where it had reached, it was enough. The heart reached somewhere and it decided to stop pumping. Imagine how situation was. If it was you, how do you feel? Guys, if you have any question or anything to ask, put it below, put your comment below. I'm going to give back to you. Anything you need to know, something you need to know, just put it down and I'm going to come back and give you back your answers. Guys, why did I came up with this story? I wanted me and you to learn something from it. I wanted me and you to learn something from it and know what we are doing, how we are doing, people we are moving with, those people who are we interacting with, they were really family. How are they taking us? Are they taking us for granted or they are taking us for well? You know, they can pretend to love you. They can pretend to be your. Yeah, guys, we have come at the final episode, and that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Please look a friend, a family, any person that you're moving on, doing unto your life. Please make sure you do the best for you and for your family, guys, because life is not what we think, life is not what we want immediately, but life is all about planning and knowing what you are doing. Get the best for your family. Make sure you do the best for them, because this is what happened to Christopher. And then at the end of the day, he died. He died abruptly like that and left the family there. They are going on with life, but life used to be. So guys, please, that's why I told you that let's learn from this and rectify anywhere that you feel that maybe sometime you make a mistake or you have been in that mysterious life. And I hope you're gonna change, guys. Let's change from this. Let's change, learn from this, and let's change, because today's children and wife of Christopher, they are really not in a happy way that they used to be, struggling. Because yeah, being having a good heart is not bad, but make sure that you know. Yes, having a good heart is not bad, but make sure you know what you are doing and do it at the right time. Life for Christopher went on like that. It has been 5